Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 649. Go buy some lottery tickets. Devilish. We got Daryl, TJ, Dan, and Todd, and Rizzo. And that's about it. Dan's and Devilish and Rizzo's and TJ's. And Donald's got both the darts. Devilish and Dan are both getting a free dart. I'll do that first. The old dart bag here, so Devilish, you're going to get a free single 13 for your giant pile. And Dan, you're going to get a triple 20. There you go. That's 6 for Donald. I forget what he asked for already. 4, didn't he? Single 8. Hey, there's a single 4. Single 11. You get all singles. Oh, a 17. Alright. Single 1. Wow. That's harsh. Double 18, because he wanted a 17. And a single 4. So you ended up with a double 4 in there. Pretty poor effort on my part there. Good. And I'll mention that we're on 13s for this break. You're welcome. I didn't really do you any favors. And my last box of draft prospects I have on hand. All this stuff, I'll be grabbing some more for Friday. So I usually do my orders on Wednesdays. First card's going to Devilish. It's a Wenberg base silver. Oh, we got a gold autograph, guys. Oh, and we got a gold base. Nice. So, going to Devilish in the W group. Alexander Wenberg. We have a gold out of 10 base for Devilish of Mitchell Wheaton. I believe these are out of 10. The autographs are out of 20, but I believe these are out of 10. And that's going to earn you a triple 13 for your pile there, Daryl. And draft surprises, Doug Gilmore. That's going to Devilish too. 3 for 3. And Jared McCann. And that's going to Devilish. 4 for 4. Nice. Silver. Yeah, let's make it 5 for 5. Devilish gets a Jackson Whistle base card as well. And let's see. Oh, Rizzo's getting a card. Grant Shearer, first round pick silver, 1981. The awesome looking mask there. And TJ, because TJ's always, oh wow. Actually got a real short print card come up. Mike Bossy, 1977 first round pick. I might save that one to the last. Whoa, we got a triple too. Oh wow, that's pretty sweet. Yeah, might as well just look at them all. That's interesting. Okay. So, we have a card that has to be randomed. Between the H group, Dominic Hasek, which I said T-Boff. H group always has something. The L group, Ed T-Boff, Henrik Lundqvist. And the C group, and Devilish. So you got a 2 out of 3 chance of winning that nice past, present, and future silver. The big ass Eric, or a big Eric Comrie theme there. Do that for random. And going to the R group, and Dan, Eric Roy, autograph silver that'll earn you a double 13. And going to Devilish Demon again, autograph silver, earning you a double. You saw that, did you? Earning you a double 13 for your pile of Hunter Shinkarik. And we have a gold autograph out of 20, and this one's going to T-Both. It is Curtis Lazar. You're going to like that one, bud. Curtis Lazar out of 20 gold. Autograph earning you a triple 13. And the last card is a short print. It's a jersey and auto silver. I think these are out of I'm going to say 3 or 9. And it's going to Devilish 2. Beautiful. 3-color patch of Hunter Shinkarik. That's going to earn you another triple. You really do not see a lot of these mem and autos, man, in this product. Yeah, very nice box. Silver version. It's going to be out of 6 or 9. 3, 6, or 9. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed the break. The RA bin is live. Grab some spots, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks.